The question says to write a program to take four numbers from the user and display the sum of those numbers. First of all, let's create a variable. Now see that I have created a variable, but the thing is I have to take a number. Either you can write here integer just like this thing, or you can use float number. For now I'm going to use integer. Now simply copy the whole part and paste it 4 times. Once I have done that, make sure to change the variables. Now I have created 4 variables n1, n2, n3 and n4, and these are going to take numbers and store in those specific variables. So the first number will be stored in n1, the second number will be stored in n2, and so on till the fourth number. Next I'm going to create a variable, let's call it capital S, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to store the sum of all n1, n2, n3 and 4 in capital S. For that I'm going to write n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4. Okay, once I have done that, what I'm going to do is the final output print. I will write a text like that, and then I have to print the variable s. So after this string I'm going to put a comma and capital S. The reason I'm putting comma here is because I am going to separate two data types, or you can call them data values. Time to run the program: 10, 20, 30, let's say 40. Pause the video and just add them. It's 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 30 is 60, 60 plus 40 is 100. The sum of the number is 100. You can do this with multiple variables actually. If I want, I can copy this thing again, and I'm going to paste it right over here and just change the variable name to n5, and then I'm going to say here enter the, and then I can add here plus n4. If I run this program, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5, the sum of the numbers is 15. So this is a simple program to take 4 numbers from the user and display the sum of those numbers. I hope you found this video informative. Please leave a like down below.